Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there is a new version of the Firefox web browser. We are now at version 99 on Firefox. If you are using that browser, of course, new version 99.01 actually, you can check out the latest version by going into the upper right corner, into Help, and into About Firefox. Should update you today, April the 12th, to the latest version. So we're one version away from version 100, like all the other browsers that have now, actually all the Chromium-based browsers that have crossed the version 100. So 99.0.1 is where we are at. What's new in this browser? Not really much, actually. One of them is the improved sandbox mode in Linux. And well, if you're in Europe, some countries will have the added features of getting credit card info in Germany and France in the new release. And there's a keyboard shortcut to toggle narrate feature in reader mode, and that's pretty much it. Really nothing front facing basically, and nothing special in here. So for the rest, we of course have security updates, and that's probably where the most important is. And security updates are available through this new release. So there's actually quite a few security updates. 3 are high severity, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 security updates. 3 high severity, a lot of them are moderate. So just for that, I think it's important to make sure that you update the browser, because there is definitely some security flaws in here. So check it out. Nothing really much in front-facing features, but we're moving ahead. And one version from version 100. The only browser pretty much that has its own engine now, with everybody else being Chromium. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.